Hello everyone, this is a Raider Sithar, and this is my High Point 40 S&W pistol. Turn around mag. As you can tell, it's got some camouflage on it. I did it. It's supposed to be digital, and I'll just let you show it to you and let you know what you think. Let me know what you think, I should say. Right now there is no bullets in the magazine. The gun is safe. I'm going to turn it around and let you see the other side. Get it close up there. And let me know what you think. Kind of dirty. It's been fired a bunch of times. I did polish my own ramp. You can see there is no paint on the ramp at all. Gun is safe. And painted the white dots and the red dots. So it's on the safety and fire. Anyway, very happy. Like my High Point. No gems at all. Brand new out of the box. Never jammed at all. Shoot the Winchester white box. Shoot the Remingtons. CCIs. Not a problem. Thanks very much. Let me know what you think.